Want to supercharge your video editing workflow and seamlessly blend Premiere Pro and After Effects? Let's dive in. First, head over to Adobe Premiere Pro, the heart of your editing in Premiere. Locate your video footage. This is the basic component of your project now. Click on your component video in Premiere. Next, right-click on the chosen video clip. In the timeline, a pop-up menu will appear. Hover over the Replace with After Effects Composition option once selected. Click on the option. This will automatically launch After Effects. Ready to receive your project. Note that this dynamic link is a crucial element of how you connect them. Amazing, right? Now After Effects opens a new composition mirroring your Premiere Pro clip. This is the magic of dynamic link. The clip added has the exact same settings from Premiere. Any edits, effects, or modifications you apply in After Effects will be automatically updated in your Premiere Pro timeline. Let's quickly add a simple effect in After Effects, like a color adjustment or basic text. Make your changes and save your After Effects project. The real beauty of dynamic link is the live connection. Return to Premiere Pro and you'll see the update reflecting in real time. No need to render and import. With dynamic link, you enjoy advantages like efficiency and the ability to make changes without re-rendering. You can also maintain project consistency. By mastering dynamic link, you're unlocking advanced creative possibilities and streamlining your video production. Now go create and happy editing.